Grande here, CEO and founder of Grande Cosmetics. Today, I wanted to go over how to correctly apply my best-selling lash serum, GrandeLASH-MD. 1. Do apply a single stroke to your upper lash line right at the lash root, just like a liquid eyeliner. Don't apply to the actual lashes themselves, the lower lash line, or the inner tear duct area. 2. Do use a single dip into the bottle for both upper lash lines. Also be sure to wipe off any excess product off the applicator. Don't use more than one dip into the bottle or apply multiple strokes per each eye. Overuse can cause irritation. 3. Do apply the product to a clean, dry face and allow the serum to dry at least 2 to 3 minutes before applying additional products or before lying down. Don't rub your eyes, layer additional products, or lay down before allowing GrandeLASH-MD to completely dry. This will help you avoid getting the serum into your eyes. 4. Do apply GrandeLASH-MD consistently once a day for a full 3 months. Don't apply more than once a day. Using more than instructed will not give you faster results. Please share this video to spread awareness on how to apply GrandeLASH-MD.